Hey y'all, Crazy Pop here, and today we are on the Char Griller, the Akorn Char Griller. Got the kids riding around, beautiful sunny spring day here in South Carolina. We have to make something. I seen Malcolm Reed make these, and I'm like, I gotta give these a try. Gotta put our little twist on things. So that's what we're gonna do. We're making barbecued, bacon wrapped chicken thighs right here on this Char Griller Akorn. We're using some Jealous Devil charcoal. Man, this is some awesome stuff. Thank you, Mr. Rob, over at Mr. Homeowner over there, for turning me on to this charcoal. Loving it so far. So if you haven't tried Jealous Devil, be sure to give that a try. It works a whole lot better than other lump charcoals we have tried. So with that being said, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you join us here at the family with the Crazy Acres and all the crazy stuff we got going on here. If you've been here, thank you so much for all the support you've been showing us. If you happen to be looking for other recipes we have, check our link down below in the description. We got a recipe playlist down there. You can bring that up, do a search. If you don't see what you're looking for, let us know. We would love to know what you would like to see us do. Also, while you're down there, check out our Facebook, our Pinterest, our Instagram, our Twitter. We have an email, we have a P.O. box. We have all kind of things down there. Also, a bunch of links down there to a lot of stuff you see in our video. So, with all that being said, let's fire this grill up, let's show you some groceries, and let's get to cooking these things. See, got us a good fire going now. Let's get the smoking stone in here. Get the grates on. We're gonna close it down and let it get ready. Now that the grill is getting up to temperature, let's show you what we're doing here. We got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. We got some bacon back here. We got some butter. We got some barbecue. Now I got some Duke's. I know you all heard of the Duke's mayonnaise, but check this out. We got some Duke's Tennessee smoke and whiskey. This is some really, really good stuff. But here's what's really gonna set it off too. We have some Uncle Steve's Shake Smoke Bomb. This is some of his new stuff. If you hadn't tried out Uncle Steve's Shake, the link's down to his website is down below. Man, this guy knows what to do with some seasoning. Y'all check that out. He does a whole line of different kind of shakes. Y'all need to check out some good stuff. We got some olive oil spray we're gonna spray our pan with. And basically that's about it, y'all. Now let's show you how to put these things together. Okay, to start off with, we are gonna just kind of lightly spray our pan here. Get some canola oil, or olive oil. Gonna put a little bit of seasoning down in the bottom, y'all. Just a little bit, for that chicken to sit in. And yes, we're gonna put seasoning on the chicken. Now, the chicken. Take you a chicken breast. Chicken thigh. See, I don't even know what I'm working with, y'all. I don't even know what I'm working with. And just wrap it in the bacon. Make them nice and pretty like. If you need to, stretch that bacon out. Make them nice and pretty. Stuff them in a pan. So I'll show you one more. Real fast and like. Kids are over here playing. They're ready to get this stuff done. Getting hungry. There we go, like that. We'll get the rest of them wrapped and we'll show you what's next. Last one. Oh yeah. Like that. Tuck it in there. Move the pans out the way. Now, as you can see. Isn't that pretty, y'all? All right, now that we got them in the pan, we're gonna just kind of coat them here with some Uncle Steve's smoke bomb. And what that's gonna do, that's gonna soak down in there a little bit. It's gonna be delicious. And then we're gonna take this butter. And we're gonna put a tab of butter on each one, like so. Very simple. Uh-oh. I say simple, I couldn't even do it. There we go. There you go, guys. As far as this pan goes, this is actually a mini loaf pan made by Wilt. It's actually made for cakes. But I've seen Malcolm Reed do this in this pan. I'm like, you know, that is just an awesome idea. So now he used different kind of seasoning, different kind of, rubs and this, that, and the other. But this is how we're doing ours. Let's get it on the grill. The grill is ready. You know what that means? We gotta get some groceries on the grill, y'all. Let's get this done. That smoke smells so good. The hickory in there is smoldering. Get this on here. Put us a probe in here. We're gonna try to get this temperature about 160 or so. Pull them off, barbecue them, put them back on for a little bit. We'll be back. This chicken is done. It's hitting right at 160, 165. We're gonna take it up, take it out of the pan, put some sauce on it, set it back on here. Man, this is gonna be good. Y'all check out this chicken. I don't know about you. That looks good to me now. But it's gonna be even better here in a minute. Let's get this off the grill. We got them off the grill, in the pan. Now, we gotta take them out of the pan, put some sauce on them, put them back on the grill. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take them out here. And then pretty, y'all. I mean, look at that. That's good to eat just like it is. We're gonna make them so much better, y'all. Look how well they held their form also now. I tell you, that pan is the trick. Now, we're gonna take some of this Duke's barbecue sauce. It just sounds weird even saying that. Roll it around. I'm gonna barbecue all sides of it. And there we are. All barbecued up, looking all pretty. Ready to go back. Now I like putting some heavy barbecue sauce on mine sometimes. What y'all think about those? Get this thing back on the grill. I almost want to go ahead and cut into one and bite into it right now. But we got to get this barbecue sauce set. Nothing wrong with where they are now. But they're going to be better here in just a little bit. Pop the top. Let's get these things set back on here, y'all. Close them back down. See y'all in a little bit. Okay, y'all, these bacon wrapped chicken thighs have been on here a little over 10 minutes now. Well, let's pop this top. Let's check them out. Here's the big reveal. Oh yeah, buddy. That is beautiful. Look at that beautiful stuff we have done did made. Oh boy. I don't know about y'all, but I think it's time to take them up. That really is a plate of goodness right there, y'all. There they are. We got some kids. Y'all ready to try these things? Yeah. All right, we're gonna take them to the table here in just a minute and try them. You hear them back there, they ready to eat. Mainly because they're probably gonna like them because I hadn't fed them all day, but that's beside the point. They're gonna be good. So we gotta get these table, but before we do, I wanna cut one open and look at it. Okay, y'all, let's cut this one open right here. Man, them things are beautiful. I almost don't wanna cut it open. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh, y'all look at that. Perfectly cooked, got a bacon on the outside, barbecue on the inside. Let's take these things to the table and try them out. Y'all check this out. See, the food gets done, people show up. People that are not normally here. Got the evil eye. Don't give me that evil eye, you won't eat. Anyhow, Carly decided to show up, didn't you? Yeah. Yeah, food's ready. Ben, oh, by the way, you've seen Ben here before. He has a YouTube channel that fixes all kinds of electronics and different things called The Retro Ben, all one word. Link down below, y'all check him out, show him some love. You need something fixed, let him know. He can probably show you how to do it. And of course, we got Bryson down there, don't we, man? Bryson said he's gonna try this out. So y'all ready to try this out?
Oh yeah.
Me too, but before we do, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, all that good stuff, and let's dig in, y'all. Now, they left me with a big knife, but that's okay. That's okay. Ooh, it's so tender. Just cut it however you can cut it and bite into it. Yeah, buddy. You gonna eat that or you gonna play with it? It's busting. There we go. Oh, yeah, buddy. Busting. Well. Busting. All right, man, what?
Everything's better with bacon. It's awesome.
There you go. Better with bacon. I had that video once. So there you go. Y'all try these out. Malcolm Reed did an awesome job with them. I had to try them out, put all a little spin on, all kind of sauce, all kind of seasoning. Man, they are delicious. Paired this with some of our smoked mac and cheese. You'll love it. Smoked mac and cheese would be good with this, wouldn't it?
Oh,
Yep.
man.
All right, so tell everybody what they need to do. Like, subscribe, and comment.
Like, subscribe, and comment.
What she said. We'll see you next time.